National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Cass County in southwestern Iowa, Guthrie County in west central Iowa, southeastern Audubon County in west central Iowa, northwestern Adair County in southwestern Iowa, until 11:15 p.m. At 10:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 14 miles northeast of Atlantic, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Adair around 10:40 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Guthrie Center, Sonora, Lake Panorama, and Springbrook State Park. This includes Interstate 80 between mile marker 62 and 79. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:15 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Adair, Audubon, and Guthrie. The severe thunderstorm warning for Cass, South Central Audubon, and West Central Adair counties